Welcome to our roundup of the best spring clamps, simple yet highly effective tools designed to hold materials securely in place during woodworking, crafting, photography, and general DIY projects. Spring clamps are known for their quick, one-handed operation, strong gripping force, and compact design, making them perfect for fast and temporary clamping tasks. Modern spring clamps often feature durable plastic or metal construction, non-slip handles, and protective jaw pads that prevent surface damage. Whether you're working on small repairs or detailed projects, a good spring clamp can improve efficiency and accuracy. Let's take a closer look at some of the best spring clamps available right now. Starting with the RELBRO spring clamps, this model is a reliable option for users who need a strong grip in a compact form. It typically features durable construction with reinforced springs that provide consistent clamping pressure. The ergonomic handles make it comfortable to use for extended periods. Many versions include non-slip jaw pads that help protect delicate surfaces while maintaining a firm hold. Users appreciate its ease of use and dependable performance. Additionally, it delivers steady grip strength and consistent results. It also improves control, enhances efficiency, and supports everyday tasks. It also increases clamping reliability, improves grip stability, enhances durability, and ensures dependable performance during repeated use in various light-duty and medium-duty applications. It also improves handling comfort, reduces hand strain, enhances grip consistency, and ensures smoother operation during frequent and prolonged usage across different project conditions. Next up is the NUI TPY spring clamps, a versatile option designed for a wide range of tasks and materials. These clamps typically feature a lightweight yet sturdy design that makes them easy to handle and transport. The strong spring mechanism provides reliable pressure for holding items securely in place. Many models include textured handles that improve grip and control during use. Users often appreciate their flexibility and ease of operation. Additionally, they provide consistent clamping performance and smooth operation. They also improve convenience, enhance usability, and support various applications. It also boosts handling comfort, improves adjustment ease, enhances grip consistency, and ensures reliable performance across different surfaces and project types. It also enhances portability, improves quick positioning, increases control during use, and delivers consistent pressure for stable and secure holding performance. Moving on to the Fritcham spring clamps, this model offers a good balance of affordability and dependable performance. It typically features a solid build with durable materials that withstand regular use. The clamp jaws are often designed with protective pads to prevent marks or damage on surfaces. Its strong spring action ensures a firm hold for different tasks. Many users appreciate its value and consistent performance. Additionally, it delivers steady pressure and reliable results. It also improves workflow, enhances grip strength, and supports routine use. It also increases efficiency, improves holding power, enhances surface protection, and ensures consistent performance during frequent and repeated clamping tasks. It also improves ease of use, enhances control during placement, increases grip reliability, and supports stable performance across various everyday clamping applications. Stepping up in performance, the Horasty spring clamps are designed for users who need stronger grip and better durability. These clamps typically feature heavy-duty springs that provide increased clamping force for tougher applications. The ergonomic design improves comfort and reduces hand fatigue during use. Many versions include reinforced jaws that offer better stability and hold. Users appreciate their solid build and reliable performance. Additionally, they deliver strong clamping pressure and consistent operation. They also improve productivity, enhance control, and support demanding tasks. It also boosts clamping strength, improves durability under pressure, enhances grip reliability, and ensures dependable performance during more intensive and long-duration usage conditions. It also improves heavy-duty handling, increases pressure consistency, enhances long-term strength, and delivers reliable results during extended and demanding project workloads. Taking the top spot is the Equitit spring clamps, a premium option known for its strong performance and versatile design. These clamps typically feature high-quality materials combined with a powerful spring mechanism for maximum holding strength. The jaws are designed to provide firm grip while protecting surfaces from damage. Many users appreciate their durability and ease of use. Additionally, they deliver excellent clamping performance and consistent results. They stand out for their reliability, strength, and overall value. It also enhances long-term durability, improves clamping precision, increases holding stability, and ensures top-level performance for both professional and everyday applications. It also improves overall usability, enhances grip control, increases durability over time, and ensures smooth and efficient performance across multiple clamping situations. All of these spring clamps serve different needs depending on grip strength, durability, and usage. The REL-BRO clamps offer reliable everyday performance. The NUI-TPY clamps provide versatility and ease of use. The Fritcham clamps deliver affordable and consistent results. The Horisty clamps offer stronger grip for demanding tasks, and the Equitits clamps stand out as the most durable and high-performance option overall. That wraps up our list of the best spring clamps, from compact everyday tools to stronger clamps built for tougher applications. If you're working on DIY projects, crafts, or repairs, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which spring clamp you choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your projects easier and more secure with the right spring clamp.